Alright, with this worksheet, we're practicing drawing what we see using grid method. You'll notice that there are boxes with the alphabet and then numbers. That means I could start in any of these and use these to help me find where I am. So maybe if I want to start with the head of the butterfly, I would look for E3. So down here, E3, I know the butterfly head will be in here. And so I'm going to draw what this one square looks like right here. And so just take it line by line. And draw lightly in case something doesn't work out, because you can always go back and darken it later. Okay, but what if you have a square that's kind of difficult? What you can then do is take that square and divide it into even more squares. So if I divide that one square to the right into 4, I can lightly draw a line there. And then I can take it by these even smaller squares. So I see that goes through the diagonal. And then I can move on to this bottom square. And next. And then after I'm done transferring, I can erase the box that helped me. So anything you can draw can be broken up into smaller boxes to make it something that's easier to draw. So just take this butterfly box by box and try recreating it and double checking yourself every once in a while. So my next one will be F2.